Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a lace frontal installation on my cousin. She was going on a New Year's Eve party, so I decided to do it on her. Plus she asked me, she don't have no one but me to do her hair. So I decided to do it, but I'll be using the got to be glue in the black container just to fix her edges, because she did cut her hair off and it is mad short, so I could not even braid her hair. That's how short she had cut it because it was damaged, so she wanted to grow it back. So I put that on the edges just to sleek it down, and then I use the stocking cap. I am going to do the stocking cap method. You guys know how it goes. I'm going to cut the sides out and then spray the spray onto it just to make sure that it's secure. So after that's all dry, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess stocking cap off. And by the way guys, this is her first time doing a lace front, for first time ever doing a lace front. So you know, give props to me because she believed in me and she was like, hey cuz, let's do this together, record me, do whatever you need to do. And yeah, so, and also this is my first time doing it on somebody's head like this. So I'm using a foundation that is close to her skin tone just to fix that line so that it doesn't show. Then I'm going to use my 91% alcohol and clean off this side so that you guys know that when you put on that lace glue, it does not lift off. So you have to clean off your forehead. And I'm also going to go ahead and spray that onto it just to lock it in. So this is the hair. This is from my hairline, prestigehumanhair.com. This is the kinky curl, and she have it in, I think it's 12 inches if I'm not mistaken. And I'm going to go ahead and put it onto her head. I did went ahead and tint it, bleach it, and do all of that good stuff already off camera. So I'm trying to put it on her head just to make sure that it is secure, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the elastic band in the back just to tighten it much better. So I'm also making sure that the sides are even before I start to cut and to lay that glue down. So you got to make sure that you do this step. First of all, I not even pluck the hair. I did not pluck it. All of my hair comes pre-pluck. So I'm going to go ahead and use that foundation that I used on the stocking cap, and then I'm going to use that spray to lock it in and then blow dry it. So I will be using the lace grip adhesive. I did use this already on myself. Hopefully that video going to come up very soon, but I did use it on myself and it lasts me for a week. Well, I took it off, but pretty much it's a really good glue. So yeah, not sponsored by the way. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the front. It looks like I put a lot, but guys, don't worry. I am going to use a paper towel just to wipe off the excess, but pretty much you have to make sure it is flat and make sure it is completely cleared before you put that lace onto the head. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with the front and then the two sides, but before I put it onto the lace on her head, it is going to be very, very, very clear. And I did put 3 coats, but I only show you one. So now you see that the glue is very, very clear. You're gonna go ahead and lay your lace down. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting everything down at once, and make sure that when you're putting the lace, you make sure you put it a little bit over the glue, because you do not want the glue to show when you start cutting. It will be messy. So I went ahead and I put it a little bit over the glue, and then I just use my hand and just secure the glue into the lace. I'm also gonna let her hold the sides. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it on high heat, and to lock everything in so that the lace can definitely melt. So I'm gonna go ahead and part the sides out where the ears is. You have to cut that side, especially if it's too long. You definitely have to cut the side to match your ears. So I'm gonna go ahead and part it off, and then cut the lace from where the ears is. And do not cut too much, because if you cut too much or if you cut too high, your lace is gonna get messed up pretty much. So just take your time and do this part. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie the hair up. I am gonna do her makeup. That video was up on my channel yesterday, so make sure you check that out. But I'm gonna go ahead and tie the hair up, and then start with her makeup. And then when everything is all done, I'm gonna come back and show you how I cut the lace off. So the makeup is complete. Ain't she look pretty? Aww. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and I'm gonna use a eyebrow shaver for this. Do not use a scissors, because you want it to have a jagged edge. So please go ahead and use a eyebrow shaver like what I have right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it off. And cut as close as you can to the hair so that it could look very, very good. I'm also gonna use the spray, the Got to Be glue spray, as I cut it off, just to make sure that it's completely blended. And then I'm gonna go back into my blow dryer and dry it. But pretty much that's what I'm gonna do: cut, spray, dry. And guys, as you can see, the hairline is looking pretty good right now. I'm still gonna do a little bit of finesse on it just to lock it in more. So pretty much, you know, just gonna go ahead and cut it off, and then spray, and then dry it off. But pretty much it is looking very, very, very good. I'm gonna go ahead and use the spray just to spray the hair so it could be more fluffy and nice. I did use mousse and water, and this is a finished look. I did not show you how I do the front part because it's just putting on some elastic band, but this is the way how it is. Look how pretty it is after I put mousse and water. So pretty. And yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to check me out tomorrow for more hair video. I do upload Monday through Friday, so make sure you turn on your bell and click that red subscribe button. But pretty much that is it. She is off to her New Year's Eve party, And yeah, guys, I will see you again in my next one. Bye.